Hi all, welcome to Reading 100. This week we're going to take a look at a quick resource guide for sensory notes and how you will be taking those notes with the second section of Deadline. So again, just as a recap, you have completed week 7, well done, and now you're on week 8, chapters 7 through 12. This week you're also going to begin your database research, so please make sure that you take a look at the assignment that you need to do for that as well. So again, in looking at our background, and we've stated this before, but remember, you want to think about the task that you have for your reading for the week, and this is not just for this class, but for your other classes as well. Determine that task and think about how you need to actively read in order to accomplish that task. So for this week, we are really going to focus on character analysis and looking very specific at the characters through their perceptions of a particular event. Okay? So what you're going to be doing here is, again, in that small group discussion in reading chapters 7 through 12, you're going to be taking sensory notes and loading those sensory notes by Friday the 16th, and then you're going to be replying to the people in your small group by Sunday the 18th. This is just like what you did in week 7. You will have a group leader that's going to that will be randomized, and again, they are going to make sure that people have done the initial posts and the replies by the time the dates are due. So our sensory notes mind map that you're going to be taking is thinking about using your senses as you read. There's going to be a note sheet that you're going to be taking to take notes on what two characters see, hear, feel, and think during a particular event. So you're going to be thinking about one event and then taking two characters and thinking about how they perceive that event. I'm going to just give you a very particular, or just a quick example. I think about my own kids, an event that maybe happened to them in high school, and I was present to that event. My perspective as an adult or as a mom or as a parent is going to be really different with that event than my child who was a high school student at the time. So those perspectives, and even though the event is the same, how we perceive that event in our senses can be vastly different. And that really helps to delve into characters and people. So that's what we want you to be thinking about as you're reading this week. So the benefits to a mind map are that mind mapping is image-based. It's not necessarily linear, and it can also be used really effectively in other content areas. Nursing for inpatient care, it's used for other particular concepts. I'm not going to delve into detail here, but we are providing you another video that gives some examples of what mind maps look like, and then you'll be creating a mind map within your own notes for your sensory notes this week. So take care. Don't forget to look very specifically at the directions on what you need to do this week. And remember, you've got this.